Hello, I'm Brendan, and today we're taking you through a bathroom installation featuring the Snowflakes design. Preston Panels products are designed for the DIY customers, giving you an easy alternative to traditional tiles, ceilings and walls.
Firstly, make sure you have all wet areas professionally sealed with a waterproofing membrane. We recommend doing a dry run beforehand to make sure your panels fit correctly. Then apply a good quality wet area silicone to the back of the panel. When cutting holes for taps, measure precisely and do a dry run before applying silicone. Pop rivets may be required to hold the panels into position. Always make sure your overlaps face downwards to prevent any chances of water getting behind the panels. A tile edge can be used to give a nice rounded finish to the edge of the panel. Finish off the job, apply a bead of silicone to the bottom of the panel where it meets the floor. If you have any questions, feel free to call or visit us in Bathurst.